Hello everyone, my name is Nixa Rojas and this is the task number 3 from the Qualitative and Quantitative Research course from the National Open Distance University, UNAD. In this video, we are going to analyze the article, The Effect of Audiobook Use on EFL Students' Fluency Development. This article was written by Archila Nisa Junda. So in this video, we are going to mention some of the characteristics from qualitative research and also how if we are finding these characteristics here in this article. So in this article, there are some this is an empirical study of audiobook uncovered. They use or they took a group of students of 30 students in order to carry on this research. So they split the group and they took 15 students, and in this group they use audiobooks as a method of improving students' fluency. The other group wouldn't use audiobooks, but they will use different educational resources to improve the fluency. As we can see, the nature of qualitative research focuses in concepts, in variables that can be measured by numbers. Another characteristic from the qualitative research is that they usually part from certain theory background. In this case, as we can see right here, there are two statements highlighted. The first one says that the use of learning media facilitates the improvement and development of language skills. And by this side, they say there are two factors, internal and external, that influence second language learning. As we can see, all of these are theory framework through which the research is built and also understood by the researchers. In the method, they use, or here says they study, employ, pre-test and post-test design. In this case, they use oral interviews in order to measure or to see the verbal communication outcome that the students had after employing all of the activities and developing the research. So that outcome will finally be analyzed through a standard deviation, which is the method that they use to calculate the variation in the group in order to make some variables to finally analyze the study and to give general outcomes. As we can see, these are some of the characteristics from qualitative research. Thank you so much. Bye bye.